guys, again and again we are here again with our very own Ams vlog. So magkapareho kami ng jacket guys, it's hindi na pag-usapan, and we are here and AIA Vitality Hub.
Dalawang linggo eh. Di ba may dalawang anong tawag dito?
So yan yung Ferris wheel guys. And merong tatlong heart dito. See? Heart. Vicky Chan. With the paintings. It's a beautiful paintings. Ayan, smiling face. Okay. Pasukin natin yung AIA guys. So, what's inside? Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa loob. And there are two unggoy over there, the gorilla. There's a gorilla there. It's a girl and boy. Couple. They are couple actually. So, yan yung Ferris wheel. Ang taas. Pag subukan mo mag Ferris wheel ngayon guys, it's wala kang makikitang view. Pero kahit na hindi maganda yung weather, ang dami pa rin nakapila doon. Tingnan natin yung sa loob. Hey, where is Ams? Oh, diba? Ganyan karami yung pila, oh. Ganyan karami yung pila dito sa AIA. Yan yung sasakay lahat sa Ferris wheel. And sa kabila naman yung exit. Dito yung entrance. So mahaba ang pila. Ayan o, may helicopter doon o. Naka-stay yung helicopter doon. Hey, what's going on? What is new? Tara, tingnan natin si Ams. So, andito kami sa Pier 10. And sa banda roon is Wan Chai. So, tingnan natin yung yung magandang pirate boat. O, naririnig nyo ba yung kumakanta? Pilipino yon guys. Basta Pilipino, magaling. Aqua Luna.